Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. So today we're going to have a look at a gift that I've received from Olly at Olly's workshop. Now Olly's here in the UK and he's got a fairly sort of smallish channel, but it's growing quite well. I've been watching him since I think he had 11 subscribers, and it's he's got a pretty good channel, and at this time of the year it's he's been doing a really good series of workshop tips advent calendar, and he's been doing one video with a tip every day for or it will be 25 days when he gets to Christmas Day. So yeah, anyway, so let's have a look. So what Olly's kindly made, and he made this himself, is a height gauge for your tools. So when you're setting up your tool on a lathe, you set this up to be the height, your center height, and then when you're putting your tool on, you can put it so you ensure it's the correct height. Now which is obviously, as we know, important. You've got some adjustment on this as well, should you need to use it on a different machine, I guess, or if for some reason you want something slightly above center height. It's really made extremely well, and you know, I am impressed by it. This steel section, if one of Olly's tips was taking printers, old printers apart, and they're a good source of steel, so I wouldn't be surprised if this came from a printer. Yeah. So this will be really useful in the workshop, and I'm sure you'll see this many times in future videos. So yeah, thanks very much for to you, Olly, for your kindness, and you know, any viewers, I'm sure Olly will make you extremely welcome if you want to go over and check his channel out. I'll put a link in the description so you can go over and say hello. Okay, well, thanks very much, and as always, stay happy, strong and healthy. Cheerio.